Hello guys, welcome back once again in RoboJunk YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to cover a very important topic where I'll be telling you how you can use MicroPython for the ESP32 board. So let's start the video. You can just search the Thonny IDE on any internet browser. Just go on this and then do install your Thonny IDE. In my system already it is installed. I'll just open Thonny IDE. This is the first step. Install the Thonny IDE and open it. Let me just create a new file. Yeah, I have created a new file. I'll close this. Yes, so this is how the interface of Thonny IDE looks. Yes, the second step is you should have your ESP32 board handy with you. Now connect the ESP32 cable to your laptop. Yes, so you have to connect the ESP32 board to your laptop, and then you have to select the communication port from here. And the first step is basically click on configure interpreter. We have to configure the interpreter. Here this window will be open, and from here you can choose what you are going to use. So we are going to use MicroPython for ESP32. If you are using ESP8266, so depending on your board you can select appropriate one. Now you have to click on basically install or update MicroPython. Just click on this, install or update MicroPython. Yes, I have clicked on this. Now target port. As I told, when you connect the ESP32 board, so I have already connected. Let me just show you. It generated a communication port, that is COM7. You can see Silicon Lab CP2102 USB to UART bridge COM7. So that means my ESP is connected to COM7, so I have to select the target. Done. Now next we have to select the board. Just make sure whatever board you are using, that you have to select the same. I'm using ESP32. I have selected ESP32 variant. I'm using this ESP32 room module, so I have selected that. Now we just need to click on install. Here it's done. You can see here. Yeah, I'll just close. I'll click OK. Yes. So let's write the first program. Now let's print something on. Print hello. Yeah. Now if I click it, you can see my code is running. It's printing hello world. If I want to print S or I in range, so here you can see you can use Python command 0 to 5 and print I. Let's run this. Yeah, so you can see here I'm able to run the Python command, Python syntax, Python programs. So that's the beauty of this. Using Thonny you can program the microcontroller. Now let me show you one program for LED glowing. Now this is the program. The program is already with me. From machine import, pin import time, and LED is connected to 12 number pin, and you can see LED on off. Also I'm printing one. Let me run this code. So my LED is actually blinking, and also you can see here on the shell keep on printing one because there is a while loop. While loop is running this many statement continuously because it's an infinite loop. That's it guys. I hope you like this video. Please hit a like button and subscribe RoboJunk YouTube channel. Thank you.